going to number 10. Ayan, the rainbow boat. Rainbow boat. So see you. Okay, yeah, thank you. Ayan, we are going now. Here. No one. Yes, finally we are here, guys. We're inside the boat now. And on the way to so malapit lang siya. Okay guys, finally we are here now. We are here. Ang corsan. Doon sila nga beach nagtatlo. Ay, nakakadlo na kami na dito. Ay, nakakadlo na kami. Bye, boat. See you later. So, we are going to hike, guys. At the left side, I think. Going there to the lagoon. Okay, so see you. Papahakin niya yung daan na yan. Papunta doon. So doon kami bumaba guys, oh. Tapos nag-hike dyan. Papunta doon. Diba? Saan ka pupunta? Oh, hi maganda. Saan ka pupunta?
Doon.
Anong meron doon?
Lalangoy sana.
Sana.
Hindi ako marunong. Hindi, hiking na lang.
Oo, lalangoy sana kami dyan, oh. Ayaw niya eh.
Sana.
Sayang yung ano namin.
Yung outfit mo.
Yung outfit.
Sorry ka lang.
Oh, sige na guys. Bye. Hurry up. We'll just go hiking. But let's see whether we can go swimming. Ay matupis daw si Ganda. What? You wanna go up there? You're crazy. Okay guys, this is a challenge for us. 30 minutes hike.
30 minutes hike?
Less than 30? You think? 15? Wow. 15, 20. Wow.
I'm fast.
You're fast? Okay, you're fast. Marami pong pupunta sa beach, di ba? Tabi-tabi. Oh, in there, got so many people there already. Saka ako, baby, kung kaya mo. Ako kaya mo. Touch me nga na. Touch! Yes! Careful ah. Puyat mayat. Nangingiga ako kasi yung Canada oh. Sige, updan ta ka maswing daw. Baby pool. Yo, 20 minutes, 15 minutes na lang mo. Ah! Oh my god. Now she's up there. Hey, wait. Wow. Ate mo nang bali. First day in your life? Never mind. First time in your life and you see the beautiful lagoon over there. Yes, we made it, guys. Sabi niya again. Medyo. Solo talaga. It's so bad, guys. She's asking me to take. Oo, nabaw siya. This is the lagoon, guys. Finally, we are here. We managed to reach here.
I don't wanna fight anymore. Just turn around and leave me. The tear in my eye drops on the floor alongside my speed. My knees are drenching in the blood I spill just to get in. When I look around me, everything I had went up in flames. My lonely way.
not El Nido, Palawan, guys. This is Half Moon Bay Lagoon, isn't it? Half Moon Bay Lagoon. Nice here, guys. We are so lucky. No one is here. Grabe ko nila ng malamig.
And drown all my sins.
Naligo, kabigla lang alang ka namin sa tubig. The water very good.
I feel just to get in. When I look around me, everything I had went up in flames.
Welcome to Secret Lagoon here, guys. And Moon Bay.
Everything I had went up in flames. My lonely way. I don't wanna fight anymore. Just turn around and leave me. The tear in my eye drops on the floor alongside my spear.
We are here. Walang pagkao-tao.
My knees are drenching in the blind. I feel just to get in. When
So not to worry, you need to swim there. You can two choices. You can swim or you can fly. Come here. It's only $40 from Cycle Pier. Balikan na yun, guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda, guys. Ayan, dagat yung This is a man-made lagoon here. And El Nido, Palawan. Joke. And Saikong.
When I look around me, everything I had went up in
Wow! So beautiful. Who's that girl over there? Oh my God! Is that my friend? Yahoo! Not yet. I see it.
I
Careful,
never pray to God anymore. I'd rather no one hurt me. Redemption, I have waited for you to come and drown all my sin. My knees are drenching in the blind. I feel just to get in. When I look around me, everything I had went up in flames.
Hi guys! We are here now finally! Fly drone! That's our drone! Ayan! Kanami-nami isang view guys! Ang ganda! Sobrang ganda! Ayan! Look at that guys! We want to swimming, but the water is so low. We want the water to be high, so we need to wait until afternoon maybe. Go home. Yes. And the weather, guys, so perfect. Ayan. Because it's so sunny and no one is here. Sobrang ganda, guys, promise. Hindi kayo magsisising pumunta dito at magbayad ng $40 lang.
I don't
Balita.
wanna fight anymore.
So, mga around 250 pesos.
Just turn
So,
around
ayan.
and leave.
Kesa naman pupunta kayo ng
That tear
pupunta
in
kayo
my
ng
eye
El Nido,
drops
Palawan.
on the floor alongside my speed.
I go there.
My knees are drenching in the blood I feel just to get in. When I look around me, everything I had went up in flames. My lonely way. When I look around me, everything I had went up in flames. My lonely way.
Where?
I never pray to
wow.
God anymore. I'd rather no one hurt me. Redemption, I have waited for you to come and drown all my My knees are drenching in the blood I feel just to get in. When I look around me, everything I had went up in flames. Everything I had went up in flames. My
Sige na, practice lang, wey.
way.
Hindi, huwag dito ka sa medyo dalong-dalong mo kay Dabo-Dabo. Agi sa mga taba.
Tapos ko kay lalim. Oo, nabawin mo. She's getting sleepy in the water. And dami na naliligo.
I don't wanna fight.
Ha?
Just turn
Bye,
around
Lagoon.
and leave me.
Thank you for letting us swim there.
The tear in my eye drops on the floor
Ay, wait.
alongside my speed.
Yun ba ba?
My knees are drenching in the blood I feel just to get in. When I look
Liguan na, liguan. Ano to, Half Moon Bay Beach? Oo, diba? This is the Half Moon Bay Beach, guys. Ang beach nila, ah. Diba yung kanina sa may kuwan, eh? Sa may shot. Yes. Ganda din ang beach nila. Shark Island, sorry. Shark Island. San Hungary. Maganda din siya, diba? Dramatic. You can walk. It's mountain. You didn't even run up to the hill. Sabi nga dito, ah. Snarly because of seaweed. Yeah, because dagat ma. Ay, the dustbin's here.
I
Kasi a bit snarly. No wonder there's a flies.
caught anymore.
Snarly beach. Ang ganda ng beach nila, guys. Sarap maligo. Renovate bago. Oo, parang bago nga kasi yung mga grill. Bago. Saka talaga bilib sa Hong Kong. Bago yung ano. She was so happy. She said may baligyaan daw. So I asked her why. If there's a baligyaan, so what? And she said she wants to drink Coke. Kami din. Madami siguro kanina naliligo. Pero now, wala na kasi to. Ano yung party doon, no? Tara guys! Makiparty tayo. Not too much. I'm so wet. Basa pa ko. I'm so
Everything I had went up in flames. Everything I had went up in flames. My lonely way.
Hey guys, see you.
It's good to be back. Yan yung boat namin, guys.